Guys, it's Rahiii here, and you all wanted a tutorial on how you can make a Neptun glitch on Blur. So here I am. So first you will need to make a project. After making a project, you will need to select your clip or video. I'm just going to time remap this in a second, so you'll be in a time lapse in 3, 2, 1. So for the first effect, what you're going to do is you will need to add a find edges effect. Select fade and invert, and for the next step, what you'll need to do is you will need to go to that one framer right here, one framer, and select that and go to effects and add the effect glow. After adding the effect glow, what you will need to do is go to color correction and add the effect tint. Now you can select any color you want. I'm just going to select blue because it suits Gojo well. So for the next effect, what you need to going to do is select the uh, effect wave warp. Select noise and set and copy my direction values. So we are passed with that, and for the next effect, what you'll need to do is go to distort again and add the same effect wave warp. Set the direction to 180. Just turn this into a one framer and go to color correction again and add the effect exposure. And for the next effect, what you need to do is you will need to go to edges and transition again and add the effect find edges and basically do the same thing. Add glow and then go to tint and add the color. I'm just going to add red for this because it's gonna look pretty nice in my opinion. Just going to add the wave warp again, and boom, we have our first Neptun glitch. As you can see, it is looking pretty neat. Now next, what you will need to do is do the same process, but do it a little bit different than what we have made now. So for the next clip, we will need to go to distort again and add the effect noise or wave warp and set the direction to 180. After doing that, you'll need to turn this into a one framer and go to effects and select find edges, fade and invert. Turn this into a one framer. Go to the same one framer and add glow. I'm just going to reduce the amount of glow and go to tint and add the color blue. Or if you want to style it up a bit, you can add posterize for the a little distort effect. And for the next effect, we'll need to go to color correction and add the effect exposure. I'm just going to side this a little so it looks good. Yeah. As you can see, it's looking pretty good now, and we will do the same process at the third clip right here. Select I'm just going to do something a little different this time. Go to find edges, fade invert and glow, and um, tint. I'm going to select yellow go to distort, wave warp, noise, set the direction 180. And what I'm going to do now is add, go to blur, sharpen, and add the effect uh, zoom strikes, or you can add rotation strikes. It's up to you. I'm just going to select those and set exposure, and lastly I'm going to add a find edges one framer at last. Yeah guys, that's our Neptun glitch. So that's pretty much it for this video. Please like and subscribe and have a nice day.